Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going to make one of my favorite cake I love so much. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Southern style coconut cake with homemade cream cheese frosting. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: cream cheese, sour cream, vanilla extract, coconut extract, powdered sugar, coconut milk, whole milk, eggs, granulated sugar, self-rising flour, unsalted butter, and coconut. Now let's get to making the cake. I have the sugar in this bowl, and I already added 1 stick of butter. And now we're going to add another stick. We're going to take this hand mixer and whip the butter and the sugar together. Now we're going to add 1 egg at a time. Now let's add the next egg to it. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. If you make this, say, Southerners, the Southerners make it with self-rising flour, that's coconut cake. You can make it with all-purpose flour also. But to make it with the all-purpose flour, you got to add the baking powder and the salt. I'm making it the way my granny used to make it. I changed bowls. I put it in a larger bowl. The egg, butter, and sugar mixture, so we can add the flour. Now, see, it's beaten up. And now I'm going to add the different extract. First, the coconut extract, and then the vanilla extract. Here you can smell the aroma of that coconut. We beat this up. Now, we're going to add the flour. First, we start off with the flour. We mix this. Then we add the coconut milk. Now, we add some more coconut milk and we add the rest of the flour. And then we beat this up together. Okay. Now we scrape down the bowl. And we mix this up. See? A nice creamy, smooth batter. Now I have two 8-inch cake pans here that I've oiled and floured the bottom so the cake wouldn't stick when taking it out. And now we're going to divide them in the two between the two cake pans. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'm going to put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or longer, depending on your oven. I have the oven set to 350 degrees. Now let's make the filling for the coconut cake. I have some sour cream here in this bowl, and we're going to add some powdered sugar, and some coconut, some shredded, sweetened coconut. Gonna mix this together. We're going to set this aside until the cake is cooked. Now let's make the frosting for the cake while it's in the oven cooking. I have here cream cheese, powdered sugar, butter, and in here I have some milk, whole milk. Now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour some vanilla into the bowl, vanilla extract, and a little coconut extract to give it the real flavor of the coconut. Mix this up. Now we're going to add the cream cheese. And the butter, the softened butter. This was my favorite cake as a child growing up. And it still is. Now we whisk all these ingredients together. Then we add the powdered sugar. Mix this up, and then we're going to set it to the side until the cake has finished baking. That's delicious. I've taken the cake out of the oven and it has cooled. Now we're going to start frosting the cake. First, we're going to put the filling in that I made with the sour cream. Now I'm going to put the other layer on top. Now we're going to frost the cake. First, I'm putting a thin layer on it. Then we're going to put another layer of frosting on the cake. Now it's time for the coconut to jump on the cake. there you have it, Southern style coconut cake with cream cheese frosting. Enjoy. Let's cut it. See, look, it looks nice and moist. Now, let's try it. Oh, so moist. Mm, mm. With a nice glass of cold milk, a cup of coffee. Mm. You can taste the flavor of the coconut extract, the butter, the vanilla-y flavor. Delicious. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.